Karma is an interesting concept. Traditionally, or not traditionally, but the modern sense of what karma means is if you do something bad will happen to you. And if you do something good will happen to you. This is really kind of a materialistic understanding of what karma is. Karma, in my experience, is our unique circumstance that we are dropped into as a unique individual, and how we comprehend that which we have been given is either detrimental to our understanding, or it augments our understanding. It adds to our understanding. Karma is the approach to there's a word that the Sufis use, it's called adab. Adab means the proper etiquette or the proper thing to do given the circumstances. And adab is not something that, well, there are concrete parts that we should be kind, we should be giving, we should be forgiving. Those are more solid aspects of what adab is. But then there are more subtle aspects of how to be kind and how to be, pursuing a life of inquiry. And what makes that path quicker or more satisfactory, and what deviates from that, what makes it more difficult. So the concept of adab is very closely related to the concept of karma. How we approach life is going to affect the life that we live. So if we approach life as a fun experience to come to know, from a place of ignorance to a place of wisdom, and we get to have an enjoyable experience mostly. Sometimes it's not all enjoyable, but we continue to improve our lives as life goes on. And this is the adab of the situation, of how the proper etiquette, what is proper to do under one circumstance but improper to do on another circumstance, how to get, and how that's going to affect the future of how we walk on this path. It's very closely related to karma. So it's not necessarily that, oh, if you did something bad's going to happen to you. More accurate observation of the word karma is, as you are, so you shall be. So in my experience, that's the aspect of karma.